Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, I'm going to take a look at how to replace the bulbs in your license plate area on the back of your BMW 3 Series, E90, E91, E92, etc. Sometimes these are festoon bulbs, often they are LEDs, and if you buy modern replacements, they generally will be LEDs. And they come as a fixed assembly. They look just like this in the picture there. And in order to actually install them, you'll need a flat-headed screwdriver, such as this or some other thing, maybe a knife or something. A knife is probably a little bit dangerous. And also you can use something along the lines of like a plastic pluck or puck, something like this. If it's jammed in there and it doesn't want to come out, you can use this for an extra leverage and not damage your surrounding paintwork. So let's go to the vehicle and take a little bit of a look here. Now I would suggest putting a microfiber towel down just to protect it, just in case you drop your screwdriver or anything. And also in this instance on the estate, you can open it right up and get easier access. So put your screwdriver into the hole, the opening, and then push the screwdriver and the unit the opposite direction. So towards the spring clip, which is on the outer edge, opposite. Then you can just unplug the cable in the back there. And that is the unit out. It's pretty straightforward. There is a gasket around the outside edge of the unit, which sometimes gets a bit gummed up, hence why we had the plastic little puck there. That will give you a little bit more leverage to try and get the unit out of the enclosure. So obviously to reinstall is the opposite, so just plug in the electrical plug. The aftermarket ones have two types of plugs, just use whichever one you've got there, and then put it in with the metal clip first, and it kind of has to rest or press up against the ledge of the bodywork. That's what gives it its kind of springy tension. So you can see here I put it in and the spring isn't quite in, so it's a little bit loose. So if yours is loose, take it out again and just make sure that that metal spring clip is actually touching against the little bit of metal bodywork on the ledge. So that's why it goes in this way first. So ledge first in, and there we go. It snaps into position and it's much more secure. And then to do the same on the other side, if you need to do both, then just do the same thing. Obviously microfiber towel, screwdriver in, push the whole unit towards the opposite side, towards the spring clip area, and it should come out pretty easily. Again, just unplug the cable, and then when you're ready, just get that spring clip, line it up with the bodywork, that little edge which is visible, push it in, lock it into place, and then you can push in the other side and it should snap in shut. So that's it, pretty simple, pretty straightforward thing to do. Hopefully this video's been useful. If it has, smash that like button.